How to solve error not found any file specified for Isarcextract Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So the very first thing that you want to do is just to replace the whole two files. Now just open up your preferred web browser and type in DLL download files. You just have to choose on the specific sources where you would like to download two missing files. So these missing files are DLL files. And once you've downloaded it, just simply extract it in your desktop like so. So this is going to be the two specific files that we're looking for, the ISAR extract and then the Microsoft dot DirectX. So where you're going to put these two specific files is through your file manager, and then go to your local disk, go to Windows. Now just simply press S on your keyboard and then go into System 32. Then click and drag the two files from here. Then you need to Control C to those specific files, go back. And then you also need to paste it into SYS WoW64. Now paste it here. And that's pretty much it. Just simply restart your PC and you're done. And that is how you solve error not found any file specified for ISAR extract Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11.